Here I've got Hammer Blade, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down and click on the apps icon, and now tap on more icon, which is 3 dots one in right upper corner, and select the second option, which is reset app preferences. As you can see, this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions. However, you will not lose any app data. So if you truly want to perform it, simply click on Reset Apps. And that's it. Your app preferences have been reset. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.